If you're trying to watch Daredevil Born Again Season 2 without paying up front, there are legit ways to do it. You just have to time it right. I'll keep this clean and safe. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss guides like this. First, use official free trials. The platform streaming the show regularly offers trial windows for new or returning users. Sign up, binge during the trial period, then cancel before renewal. That's the safest way to watch in full quality with zero risk. Next, check bundle perks. Many mobile carriers, internet providers, and smart TV promos include free months of streaming services as activation bonuses. A lot of people already qualify and don't realize it. And check your account benefits first. Another option is household profile sharing. If someone in your home already has access, approved profile features allow multiple users under one subscription without violating platform rules. If you're watching remotely with friends, use official watch together features so everyone streams through their own account while staying synced. What to avoid: random free streaming websites, unofficial apps, password leaks, or browser extensions claiming instant access. Those are unreliable and can put your accounts or devices at risk. Pro tip: wait until most or all episodes are released before activating a trial. Timing it right lets you binge the entire season without paying for extra months. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your country and I'll tell you the best free option available for you right now.